So in this video today, I'm going to be styling a tiered tray 2 different ways. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Autumn Pumpkins Tiered Tray Styling. That's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And then hosting with me is May's Design Corner, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, Jean Home Decor and more, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, Debbie Bubbles, and Donna Decor and more. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. All right, so styling number 1 looks absolutely beautiful, so I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. So here we have styling number 2, and I'm loving this area decor piece that I purchased at Dollar General. And I'm also loving those huge sunflowers, guys, and this pumpkin right here is velvety. It is gorgeous. So that, I believe I also got that from Dollar General. So I'm loving the sunflowers. I'm loving the rustic look. I think it's time to head on over to reveal number 2. So I think that these two looks came out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.